Hello everyone. For my subscribers, I finally upgraded my camera setup, so please leave a comment if it's a better or worse experience to watch like this. But yeah, let's get back to the topic. I have a Gardena valve, how is it called? Pistol, watering pistol, that has a leak in it. And just thought that I will share a very simple fix. So in principle you need a screwdriver just to remove this handle, shoots out, do take care, and yeah, you can straight away see where usually the crack forms. I prepared few of them and it was always in the front side. If you have it on the back side, it can be removed similarly, but yeah, it's more covered. Let's see. And yeah, in principle, if it would be a crack in backside, then you should need to somehow cut out this plastic part. But yeah, then again you have to think about somehow to secure this part. So not sure. Haven't tried to repair from the backside, or didn't have need to repair on the backside. So let's focus for now on this side repair. Okay, so and for this all you need, or why it's possible to repair it, because it's a solid plastic, yeah, it's because of the acetone, and because this plastic is ABS plastic. So acetone and ABS plastic reacts quite well. It melts the plastic, and you can fix it, and I will show you how in a moment. So okay, so what I do is usually I take a Dremel with a sharp cutting tool and make this hole a little bit bigger. So let's try this. Okay, so I make a groove. I will need to clean this excess as well, but in principle all I did was made a groove. So now I will clean it additionally off camera and show you the final step. Okay, so as you can see, or I'll try to show you, I have made a little groove along the whole crack, just to leave a little bit space, because yeah, you can try to melt this plastic a little bit with some soldering iron or something, but for me it was a 50-50 hit and miss tactics, as by melting usually some cracks are still there. So what I saw is the better technique. As if you saw my other videos, I showed similar approach in the repairing soda stream machine, where plastic hook or access breaks off. So for this we can use acetone and special ABS glue, and it is made by simply taking ABS plastic and melting it with acetone. So if you have a 3D printer, so then you will be familiar with this technology, but in principle you just take scraps of ABS plastic, fill it with acetone, and you will get something like this, gooey liquid or gooey stuff that you can easily take and pour on the crack you need. So if you have, yeah, like here I've just reused the same plastic all the time. I'm just adding a little bit more of the acetone and let it stay, then mix it through, and you get very powerful glue for ABS plastic. So yeah, then we can do one more additional step. We can take some Q-tip and take a little bit of the acetone on it, and you can prepare the surface. Just add the acetone on it, and you see, don't add a lot because it will melt the plastic, but if you add a little bit, it will prepare maybe even melt some of the crack and prepare it for the applying of the our special glue. So because this liquid has some acetone in it, it will at first be very it is very aggressive, so it melts a little bit the original plastic, but this helps the bonding process a lot. And yeah, in principle that's all what you need to do. Just add the plastic on the groove and leave it to stay for I don't know, maybe a few hours will be enough, but I like to leave it for a whole day if possible, and yeah, just come in and check with something if it's hard or not. If it's soft, just leave it for more. If you will add very thick amount of this plastic, it will take much longer to cure, because in principle acetone has to evaporate through already hardened surface. So yeah, don't worry, it will harden eventually, but it will take a little bit more time. So yeah, that's it. Well, I will just leave it for some time, check it if it's hardened, and try it out. But as I said, I already repaired a few of them, and all of them were successful repairs. So like, subscribe if you like, and yeah, that's it for this time. Yeah, if for all the subscribers, if possible, please leave a comment if this filming camera angle and lighting, is it better or not really, what to improve. Okay, thanks and bye for now.